go radio. Like as you they go radio, where they tell presenter say make the no talk about Pope Skinny, you know. Like as Nana Mama Brown talk about you. Say na Pope Skinny, you know, why any baby no man come me can say oh, Pope Skinny was my very good friend. He loved me with his heart. And I don't know what happened. Tio, as a sensible guy, Anka said, Pope Skinny be my guy. I don't know what happened where he speed him up so much, where he make it, he do what he do. But don't come and talk, say, you don't do me anything, you are my friend. Shatta Wale, I'm saying this on record, you are not my friend. You can never be my friend. And if you can't get money like Dangote, where me, I don't get money like Super Odi, you can still not be my friend because I don't want dirty money. Dirty money. I don't need that dirty money. Because in me, I say my secret is my power. Me, I no go come out and can't talk what they do before you get hit, where we go stand, what we do, so I no go come talk. I'm not a fool. What the team will fear me a me. But when you come out and can't talk, say if Pope Skinny like, okay, this be how the whole thing starts. Now are they Suhum with my Joy Daddy people. Dr. Harrison, Dr. Manfred, Dr. Surgeon, and a Joy Daddy company, you know, and I love you. Niamaya mameno, mean to me nka. And I mean to me emoding. And I mean to me nka say, oh, men crofo yes, I love you. Joy Daddy is my shade. But for Joy Daddy, where me, I there with them from 2012 to 2018, 19, where they go choose Kasapreko and Ambassador Kasapreko no be my shade. Shatta Wale where he go sign Kasapreko. But me, it be me bring Shatta Wale to Joy Daddy. And the biggest money Shatta Wale gets for in career, I said this on record, be 1.5 million. They sign him for 4 shows. When I made the quiet that time, Bulldog was a manager. You know, we go Bulldog in office for Osu. Bulldog, you know. Bulldog, I love you. Anna, you say madam Funtino, me say member Kasa. But you see, for Shatta Wale too, Shatta Wale won't make everybody know say, oh, I see Pope Skinny though. As you and Pope Skinny know, Pope Skinny they struggle. Pope Skinny, you see, say you dey for her. Me see me I not get 1 billion for Ghana music. I'm a hustler. Me I'm a street boy. You are not a hustler. Oh, you hustler. Oh no, a junkiness now. Oh, papa's pamo. Oh, you street boy. Me I've been a street boy. I was born in Kokomle. Me I've been a street boy. You see the street people. You see the time where me and you they fight where you say, hey, you go make killers come. Hey, you see the killers where they tell me, say, Pope Skinny, we know you for the street. Then we don't know bandana. Oh, you street boy. Me the time me and you they fight where people they do this, people they do this. Huh? I was on the street. You were not on the street. You were not on the street. You yes, I go Ojura, where you two you can't move go Ojura because Cheska come do briefcase for Ojura. Me I was in Ojura at the street. I always dey street because you see, if I don't get who to fight for me, the street people know my story. And when somebody they try intimidate Pope Skinny, go talk say, who need Pope Skinny way? I'm telling you on record say there are people where they know they like you. You see the people where you they work with. Anna, Governor, this is my killer. They don't even like them. I love them because they see me on the street. They tell me say, oh Skinny, if your man try and solve that thing for him. Meanwhile, you were telling people to come stab me, come do this. Hey, me I know her. Jayo, man, kasa too much, bro. I love you. And I will share who created so many accounts to distract me from me. I know your words. But my secret, may I say yes, my secret is my power. I'm not really revealing secrets. Because at the same time, I work with you. We are know how things for day and things for no day. It is a say and why you say it blade ni bone ni adena Osake wono. When you go interview, don't mention them name. Because it piss them off. Missy, me mumidi. Odo ko interviewer. Catch a presenter ni say man mop up skinny di. Cause I'll come and expose you. Kadek. So you people say the street boys. Well, I tell your king of the street. Say make you come talk there. Tell Shatawale say Skinny say come talk there. Ibi there. Don't talk say you are not my Wale. You are not my friend. You cannot. I'm not friends with fake ass niggas. You can never be my friend. God help you. Before I go. Make a talk how Shatawale no get money. They call every musician broke. This be how Shatawale gets the first house. The first house for 69. It is Legon. Me, I know the lie. You know the first house for 69. You do song for Mahama Pepper. That be what NDC use for them a campaign where they no win. Mahama Pepper. And Mahama Pepper, it be Ibrahim Mahama. They ask you, Yenjina ni yako Ibrahim Mahama ni fina wa kaukudi run about no. Ano bisa ose there na wope. Ano say o de umpeska na oma ufie. That be what you get for Mahama Pepper. For 69. Say fie na yen ye catch ose beka say $1 million because that house was 9. Say na wo waye swimming pool ni ade wom. That house no be $1 million. Anna Namwan de I am a papa. I love Namwan because no. Namwan ma yeska ye kwakocha gringo no. Namwan ma yeska say wale intra VIP tickets. Business class Emma Pop Skinny because he love Pop Skinny. Anna Wale the manager of that time. I love that manager. I don't want to mention him. Where they go book economic for me. Economic comfort. 80 minutes while they do play anymore. While they say at times business class, you know the fool. So make a try, get some place and sit. Let me make a get some place sit and maybe if nobody come, the air hostess go no say we go with Delta. Air hostess no go no say are they economy, but they VIP. No, I won't give you money. Say make you come book VIP, make a set your body 1 year. But me, I'm not after the money. I want because of that thing where we talk from the beginning. Say make make money because when the money come, we all will go enjoy. That's why we do ride on. Make we go and we ride on. But scanning by and now we say they are sell out. And I make what now wana VIP no na obi buy no say oh that's my seat. And I make call economy comfort. My man cry my country Namwano. Namwan ma yinska. Me later we are here. The people where we go, the xylophone people where we go, where they tell me say Namwan give me 22 or say $25,000. And I want over $50,000 not for the video. The video or the man manager of that time. Over $50,000 and I says can we say pay why Namwan forgive you because Namwan say you won't go after this video, you won't go Miami. I'm saying this on record. Me, I'm not fake and I will never be fake. So me got economy. Oh, if you are me, I'm paying one sem. And me got economy boko. I know be a Saturday no business class in the year man. So me got ask me and Shatawale alone where we go. Say every 30 minutes I they wake up from economic comfort. Go see Wale say be okay. Saturday no make I show you what happened. I'm saying this on record. Make a record and a record. That day then they fight with Shatamishi. Now yet me pass him. And they fight with Shatamishi. And that day, that be the day where like them two for die. Make Ghana get problem with shatter movement. By the we stop. I was there with Blade, Bone, Good of Evil, Stone, and me. So me, I did the studio for me and pass them where while they can't talk say, oh, where they say me say Skinny, maybe I didn't do need the say when I call Patel because a two of them and they were shooting the bed. These people, you see, Shatamichi take the gun from Shatawale because Wale, how Michi, hey, Anna, OJ, Tony finish him. And Michi no one killed the guy where they shoot bed. Po. So they can't tell me say Skinny, Chame where there at the end of the day doing the one I will be to me because of you. Now say men kon won kokumi. Men ko. That was the day we go. And you know, and they have like 8 minutes to go. And they are semano. It's here you know, and a year solve a problem no. That time the people where they say be in love. You see, my secret is my power. I'll not go. I know they try to expose you, but who say me kasa? And you know, you know, Anna, men open Eco America. That was the day you go shoot Gringo. Make everybody where you say Pope Skinny be fake. Make you go watch Gringo and see say Pope Skinny day inside. A manager of that time was in the video. You know, be manager for day the video. If me for day where manager day. I said no. Okay, you know, yes, see away JFK. Anna. Minuano no abo wale ono monsa ono eye hwehwe ene kakra bi obetwetwe eno pe ana minim ne oye yansa na wo fifie ana ye gbe kodu you know na minuano wa he de nti ewie you know ana me boys young boys be fire that day we didn't have I no go mention anybody in name make it get because all those people they be stupid ye kodu you know and a yard and for bako into me hotel while book you know a opposite while they book the same hotel for we because that day now one give me money we give Wale money but and yes I scan what the mommy I know so one book business cars and yes I scan all the mommy but my mommy $2,000 and it says scan and shame and your bookie hotel say no and I say no my guy I for book hotel opposite to him so I go watch him because me bano the people the boys Blade Bone Good of Evil Stone you know the warning they give me because they love Shatawale so much they say hey, Skinny you see say they go with Shatawale say who knew na bibi kotona obagana so who are you be kum I'm saying this on record I don't have problem with my people I'm saying this is what the people because they love this nigga so much. And yakoi, it's yakoi no. Sa Shatawale problem on is Shatamichi. Shatawale ope Shatamichi. If Shatawale won't do pan. I go come show the time they go back Shatamichi what I tell them. Where go Kumasi, where go call Reverend Obofo, I go show him. Where that time be my birthday, they for come all my boys for come my birthday. We told them say make the no come because you know.